Harvey Weinstein is expected to appear in Manhattan criminal court today to face new sex crime charges. Prosecutors say the charges relate to several previously unheard allegations of sexual assault and/or rape that allegedly took place in New York City. The indictment was announced last week, but the 72-year-old missed his last court date after being rushed to the hospital for emergency heart surgery. CBS News New York reporter Alice Gaynor is outside the courthouse there in Lower Manhattan with more on all of this. Alice, as we wait for this indictment to be unsealed, what do we know now specifically about these new charges?
Well, Errol, we don't know a whole lot because, as you mentioned, this new indictment has yet to be unsealed. According to his attorney last week, he told reporters gathered outside of the courthouse that he believed this could include up to 3 allegations dating all the way back to 2005. Prosecutors told the court that they brought before the grand jury these 3 allegations that allegedly happened at 2 Manhattan, specifically Tribeca hotels, and also at a residential building. Harvey Weinstein is expected to be here in court today in person at 2:30 Eastern Time. He was not here last week, therefore he could not be arraigned. He was excused, as you mentioned, due to medical reasons. He had emergency surgery due to fluid around the heart and the lungs.
And to be clear for our viewers, Weinstein is also awaiting a separate retrial on other cases after New York's highest court overturned his 2020 conviction earlier this year. And I understand prosecutors want to fold these new charges into that retrial. Why is that? And why do Weinstein's lawyers oppose that?
Right. So this retrial right now is scheduled for November 12th. Of course, that could change, but right now that is the date. As you mentioned, New York's highest appeals court overturned his 2020 conviction on rape and sex assault. They said that the trial judge unfairly allowed other women to testify who were not a part of the case. The trial judge allowed them as Molyneux witnesses to show prior bad acts. Now, prosecutors say they want to file a motion to consolidate the new indictment with the retrial. His attorneys say they would prefer to keep them separate. They're aware of what is going to be retried in November, but they say they simply do not have all of the details when it comes to this new indictment. They say they ethically could not be prepared in time for this November 12th retrial should the charges be combined. They say they still have to do their own investigations and do their own work. And of course, it's already almost October, Errol.
Just fascinating. Alice Gaynor, thanks for the update. We appreciate it.